to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to quickly talk to you guys about something that I just discovered maybe a month ago, and that was actually from Instagram. I saw somebody tag this company, and I was like, what is this? And a whole new world appeared, and that is Octoly. If you guys have not heard of Octoly, Octoly pretty much, I'm just break it down for you real simple. They send you free products, like regular size products. I'm not talking about like little travel size, free products for you to review on either your YouTube or Instagram, well, that's what I have, but a social media platform. I will put the links and all that kind of stuff. I can't remember off the top of my head if you have to have like a certain amount of subscribers or anything like that. I don't think you do. That's what my heart says, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't hold me to that. So yeah, so I tried them out. It's super legit, and I was like, I told my sister, and typically if I'm like excited to tell my sister about stuff, I'm like, well, I might as well just make a video and tell you guys. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you probably already know I've shared what I'm about to show you guys, but I just want to show you guys a couple of products that I received from them. And how you receive your products is like this. So you have a like store, they call it a store, then you have credits, and you can kind of pick and choose what you want to try. So they have everything from makeup, skincare, lifestyle, like I've seen like certain kinds of coffees and stuff on there. What else have I seen? I've pretty much just paid attention to the skincare and makeup. But hair care products. I've seen some natural hair care products and stuff on there too. Okay, so you have these credits, and in order to get more credits or to stay active, you pretty much just have to upload like you normally would do whenever you buy something at Sephora and all those other places. You post it on Instagram, and that's pretty much it. So the first thing that was sent to me was the Fresh Sugar Lemon Hydrating Lip Balm, and then the Sugar Peach Hydrating Lip Balm. I've used it, so it don't look perfect anymore. Sent to me, of course, a complimentary from Fresh, and of course I love them. I love Fresh products, period. I love the soy face cleanser. I use the I think the exfoliant, I can't remember the name, but if you've seen my skincare video, I use their exfoliant. I love Fresh products, so I was like, heck yeah, please send me this, and they did. So it's pretty much easy to like apply. You pretty much just like click a button. Yeah, like you go in there, you click a button, and then you can type a little message to the brand, just kind of like hoping that, you know, say a little something sweet to them, but kind of butter them up just a bit, hoping that they will like send you the product, and that's pretty much it. And so yeah, so these were complimentary from Fresh, and I love them. They are hydrating. They're not the most hydrating, I'm gonna just be honest with you guys, but they're nice to have. I keep one, that's why I don't have the lemon one up here with me, because I keep that one in my bathroom at nighttime. So after washing my face, doing my nighttime skin routine, that's one of the lip balms that I go to for nighttime. But you know what? And the summer's coming up, you guys. We're gonna be in and out the pool. You need your water, you need this, you need that, and you need to make sure your lips look good, because don't nobody want to go around with dusty, crusty lips. So yeah, you guys, and the price point on these I think are $18 a pop, which is actually pretty good, especially for Fresh too. So these are pretty much in competition with every other brand as far as price wise goes, and you can find these in Sephora. So they don't have, well, this one I'm pretty sure, I don't think the lemon has a scent either. They're not scented, which I think would have been nice if they did have a little bit of a scent. And they're not tinted either. They're just hydrating lip balms. So these are really great with locking in moisture. And if you can get your hand on at least one of them, I always recommend one. I have a lip balm collection stash fetish problem anyway, so I needed those in my life. All right, so next, complimentary from Caudalie. I think I say that right. I always feel like I say that wrong, but this is their Preimer Cru cream. Pretty much you will apply this to your face at morning and evening, to the face and the neck. I only apply it to my neck and my décolleté. I already do too much for my face, so I didn't really need anything for that. So I've been using this pretty faithfully. I think I've only skipped maybe 3 or 4 days. that's it with not applying it to my neck or my décolleté. I'm gonna be honest, I can't really tell the difference right now, but it's only been about 3 weeks and I don't expect to notice anything, but I'm pretty hopeful that I will get some pretty positive results out of this. And just to be clear as to why I apply it to my neck and my décolleté, like my chest area, is because you don't want to skip these. You can always tell a woman's age as well by their hands, their neck, and their chest too, not just the face. So it has a light scent to it, kind of like a floral-y, oh my gosh, scent to it, but it's not anything overpowering at all. So, and it's very, the texture of it is very like lightweight and very smooth and silky. All right, last but not least, complimentary from Givenchy. This is their Le Rouge lip balm. I have it in sparkling pink, and it's pretty much a I think you guys can see that. Can you guys see that color on there? Yeah, I think you can. The Le Rouge Perfecto is a really nice lip balm. It's a 3-in-1 lip balm, so it's supposed to plump, give you color, and moisturize your lips all in one. I want to say the price point on this is, I mean, it's Givenchy. I'm just being funny, you guys. So the pricing for the lip balm is a little pricey. It's $37, but it's more of a splurge, to be honest with you guys. This is definitely for my luxury makeup lovers, that kind of thing, or if you just want something really nice in your bag. Let's just talk about 2 seconds the packaging, because I am in love with this packaging. It's little leather, little pink leather right here with silver details, and it has the name right there, and it is so cute, so cute. The color for me is okay. I don't know if it really goes with my skin tone, so what I've been doing is I'll just pop this like a little on. I'll kind of just dab it, and then I'll put like a little different gloss on top of it to make it a little bit more of a gloss. Well, it's a balm, just to make it a little bit more of a gloss. So yeah, you guys, it's just okay. I'm not super in love with it, but I don't hate it at all. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it either. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for this. It's not even a review. I just wanted to tell you guys about what I got. I will put all the links down below. All these products can also be found at Sephora, just so that you will know. And yeah, I encourage you to sign up and get with it and start getting some free products from Octoly, because I'm super excited that I discovered it, and I'm mad that I just discovered it in, what is this, May? I discovered it in April 2019. So anyways, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at JMarie, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.